Is this your homework, Larry? Is this your homework, Larry?
Look, man,
Do, please. Is this your home?
What's going on, everybody? Johnny here with a quick Bitcoin update for you guys. Now, Bitcoin has been pushing pretty strongly to the upside over the last few days, and we got this really awesomely rare buy signal from the hash ribbons indicator back on 15 October. So that means we are due for a pretty large move ahead of us. This thing goes off very rarely on this indicator. It's not the typical hash ribbons indicator you can get on your Tradingview account. This is a paid indicator. However, it has been extremely accurate for me over the last few years. It also gives you a little hash rate histogram down here, and you can see we are again pushing all-time highs on hash ribbons. On hash rate on the hash ribbons indicator. It looks like, I drew this line down here. This lines up with the 618 fib extension from the downtrend, where I thought Bitcoin might move down to consolidate before pushing up again. Also lines up with the 50 simple moving average on the 2 hour. However, I think Bitcoin is going to stay inside of this contracting triangle. Again, a contracting triangle is a very strong bullish continuation pattern. Now, the target I have for this contracting triangle is right up here at 13,897. That also lines up with an important fib extension. And then the next target after that, after we can break across this yellow trend line here, would be 14,699. Now, if we take a look at the higher time frame, we can see that trend line I just pointed out is this long-term trend line that had been flipped to resistance from support back during the COVID crisis and everything back in March, when the stock market took a little tumble and Bitcoin went down right with it. However, if we look at this higher time frame, we see this just bump a bunch of bullish patterns: the symmetrical triangle, the bull flag, the falling broadening wedge, this inverse head and shoulders, basically everything pointing to a strong Bitcoin breakout. When we look at the weekly time frame, it doesn't look as exciting as it looks right now on lower time frames, but that's okay. But I do want to show you guys something that is actually pretty damn exciting. So we bring up this stock to flow indicator, and you can see that right now Bitcoin should be right around 54,000 US dollars, which, if hyperinflation keeps going the way it's going, I really don't see that too far out of the question. Speaking of which, let's see what the DXY is doing, and see if that can give us any insight into where Bitcoin's price might be going next. Okay, so this is our DXY. This is a weekly chart logged, and you can see the dollar's just been on a major down move for the past since April. We got that sharp move up when all the stocks sold off, and dollar was in high demand, and then now it seems people are moving their dollars elsewhere, and dollars are in less of demand apparently. So we are seeing things like gold rise, the precious metals index rise, and of course Bitcoin rising. One cool thing I do want to show you guys. So if we do XBT, XAU, DXY, and just see how gold is doing. So do DXY. Yes. So if we just see how Bitcoin is doing versus gold overall, we can just see that Bitcoin may be starting to break out of this symmetrical triangle here. Now, we did get a fake out up here, but it looks like Bitcoin could be getting ready to overtake gold and completely decouple from it as well. Now, we all know Bitcoin is a much better gold than gold is, so this is not too surprising. But hopefully this continues, and if this this gets going, we could see a pretty major correlated move with Bitcoin. So we'll see Bitcoin go up another 265% against gold. So keep in mind, if you're looking to get into a trade here, right now actually would not be a terrible point to enter. Keeping your stop loss just below this bottom trend line with enough room to work. Your first take profit right here at 13,917, and then your second at 14,704, right around there. And depending on trend and momentum and strength, you may want to keep some margin out there. So yeah, guys, I'll be back again tomorrow with another video. Thanks for dropping in. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you guys tomorrow.